So I'll start with the common animals you see day to day. So unfortunately, you never get away from pigeons. There's pigeons everywhere. They're funny. They're cool. So you get pigeons everywhere. What's cool is they have, I forget the type of bird. There's these tiny little birds, and they kind of beep, beep, beep at you. Finches, I think. Yeah, I think they're finches. But those are everywhere. They're really cool to see. You get a lot of parrots. You see a lot of parrots. Papagayo was what we call them. There's a ton of parrots everywhere, green ones. And papagayo is actually another term they call kites. It's a slang, and little kids love to. They battle each other with these kites in the air, so you see that everywhere actually, and kites in the electrical wiring for the power on the houses. So you see that everywhere. Macaws actually you get to see quite a bit of. Really cool. Macaws are awesome. I mean, I always took pictures. If all of a sudden sometimes you see 2 pairs flying or 1, but you see a lot of macaws. That's really cool to see. And in person, you get to see one-on-one. Some people have to train them, and you see them like in downtown Manaus. Go on a P-Day, for sure. If you go downtown, where they have all the souvenirs and trinkets, you'll see a lot of birds and exotic birds. I saw a toucan in the zoo, but not just common. But I guess some elders have seen them. Toucans are really cool looking. What else? A lot of iguanas, huge ones, small ones, all sorts of sizes. You see them everywhere. Field mice. So those are kind of common to see actually, which is kind of fun. So you get to see those all the time. Bugs, you'll see all sorts of bugs everywhere. I guess they're insects, not animals, but you'll see all types of bugs. Spiders are everywhere, like big ones. Cockroaches are everywhere. Got to make sure you clean the baptismal font if the members don't do it. And there's tons of cockroaches in there. If you leave the water in there, they'll get waterlogged. So got to be careful with that. What other birds? And a lot of birds. You see a ton of birds. There's the blue macaw. There's the regular, green, red, blue-ish, yellow, I think. Let's see. Jaguars. There's jaguars in the jungle. But typically, if you're in the jungle, you're probably not where you should be. So you try to steer away from danger. I mean, although it's fun, there was this one kind of reserve area where we lived. Here's our house right here, and this is the jungle area right in front of our house. So there was a shortcut the members told us to get to from here to the church. So it was pretty common. There was a lot of people that went there, so we would go there every once in a while. I was always hoping to see something cool, but other than the normal birds I saw, those are normal, so they're still cool, but not as cool. I saw a few condors, a few eagles before, some crazy looking slugs, millipedes, centipedes are just like, I don't know, fat and juicy. Things you'd see like in cartoons. Bats, you'll see a lot of bats sometimes. Armadillos are pretty common. One day I was walking down the street, and this armadillo was just kind of walking around, and this guy said food, and he ran towards it and just was hunting. I don't know, just killed the little armadillo. It's really sad, but it's their food. A lot of turtles are there too. Big old turtles about this big, different sizes. Like I said, that's pretty common. Fish are big and common there. Piranhas are also kind of cool.